I'm going to teach you how to pick the correct nodes and find what you're looking for when you're playing the Bazaar. No matter what character you're playing, this video is for you. So maybe you're looking for that one item that will make your build go to the next level. I'm talking about your atmospheric sampler, your farmer's market, your freezer, your gramophone, your lion's cane. Whatever character you're playing, maybe you're looking for that just one item. What are the odds of actually finding the item you're looking for? This is a very important thing to know about when you're playing the Bazaar. Right now, the Bazaar DB, this site has a wonderful feature where if you search and look up an item, you get information here. However, if you click on that item, you get even more information, and here you can find shop odds information. So as we all know, gold tier items start to appear at day 6. However, the percentage of actually finding your gold tier items, that's in this case a farmer's market for example, is actually minimal. Therefore, you should look for when is the big power spike in percentage coming for that item, when is the correct day to actually start looking for an item in that specific shop. As we can see here, farmer's market on day 6 has a 1.57% hit ratio at Herma if you reroll. So it would actually be beneficial for you to not even care about looking for market until we hit that big power spike in percentage able to be found in a specific shop. So in this example, we can see here how farmer's market goes from day 7, 3.91%, to day 8, 9.72% chance to find farmer's market. This is the big power spike that I'm looking for when I'm looking for farmer's market. This strategy can of course be applied to other tier items as well. Say you're looking for that early lollipop to be able to quest throughout the game so you can push it onto your board as soon as possible. Lollipop, click lollipop, look shop odds. We can see here at Ayla, it's a little bit low on day 2, starting to increase a little bit on day 3, even more day 4, and even more day 5, and a whole lot better at the day 6, 7, and 8. So I would suggest you skip looking for that item in the early game and wait till it's actually more reliable and more valuable to get something out of your shop. So instead of wasting time on shops where you're not even likely to hit your item and then blaming RNG for not finding it, go to shop, reroll, exit shop. So instead of doing this, what you could be doing instead is clicking loot. You can click gold. You can even look for items that you currently have on your board to improve your board so you actually get a chance to live 1 or 2 extra days later. Then it will be much more likely for you to hit that specific item that you want. What you can also do if you already have a really good board and a really good econ, you can actually look for items that will improve your board once you find it. Say you have a really good freezer angle, so if you have the skill that gives you items damage when you freeze, you can actually start looking for a blender at day 4 and 5. Just make sure you are able to survive long enough till day 8 when the odds for freezer actually start to show up. You will not be expected to find it at day 6 and day 7. So my final tips for this video will be if you know that you're gonna start looking for your transition item at day 8 and day 9, make sure you have a strong enough build to be able to compete day 6, 7, 8 and hopefully 9 as well. I hope these tips will make your runs much more effective while you're hitting your items exactly when you're supposed to. Good luck, take care, and I'll see you guys in the Bazaar.